What if I told you there are 5 real American companies listed on NASDAQ and NYS, trading for just a couple of dollars right now, with stories powerful enough to change how you invest? I personally researched and verified every single one. Here is the rule. I will not reveal the name or ticker of any company until I finish its full story. No skipping. Real investors understand businesses, not just ticker symbols, because by the time we reach number 1, you will not believe what you are hearing. Let us begin. Number 5. In 1986, an attorney in Pontiac, Michigan, started a tiny mortgage company from his law office. He called it Shaw Mortgage, fewer than 10 employees. Then his son Matt joined. Matt had played basketball at Michigan State, won a national championship, and brought that competitive fire to business. He stopped fighting big banks and instead focused entirely on serving independent mortgage brokers across America. By 2015, the company became the number 1 wholesale mortgage lender in America. By 2022, it became the number 1 overall mortgage lender in the country, bigger than every single bank. In 2021, it went public at a $16 billion valuation. The stock once traded near $9. Today, with high interest rates slowing housing, it sits around $2. $2 for America's biggest mortgage lender. When rates fall and housing rebounds, the infrastructure, the technology, and the broker network are ready. Ticker UWMC, UWM Holdings Corporation, listed on NYSE. But the next company has over 100 million users and trades at just over $2. Do not move. Number 4. In 2008, a founder in San Francisco had one simple idea. What if every neighborhood had its own private network where you must verify your real address to join? No bots, no fake accounts, just real neighbors sharing real things. Crime alerts, local recommendations, emergency updates. That idea grew into a platform now in 11 countries, serving over 100 million verified neighbors across 340,000 communities. In Q1 of 2026, revenue grew 14% and beat guidance. Weekly active users hit an all-time high. The company is debt-free, holds $373 million in cash, and just authorized a $100 million share buyback. The stock sits around $2. It once traded near 19, ticker NXDR. Nextdoor Holdings Inc., listed on NYSE. Number 3 is a cancer therapy nobody believed in, that the FDA approved, that traded under $2 less than a year ago. Keep watching. Number 3. Inside every tumor there are immune cells already trying to fight the cancer. They are just outnumbered. One company figured out how to remove those cells, grow them into billions of powerful soldiers in a lab, and send them back into the body. In 2024, the FDA approved their therapy as the first ever TIL cell treatment for metastatic melanoma. In 2025, revenue exceeded $260 million. For 2026, guidance stands at $350 to $370 million, 36% growth. The stock hit a 52-week low of $1.66. Analysts now carry an average price target of $8.80. Australia just approved the therapy, opening one of the world's highest melanoma markets, ticker IOVA. Iovance Biotherapeutics, listed on NASDAQ. Number 2 was founded in 1997, once hit $70, crashed to 69 cents last year, and just posted its strongest quarter ever. Stay right here. Number 2. In 1997, 2 men in upstate New York built a company around hydrogen fuel cells, clean machines that generate electricity without burning anything and without any carbon. Today their technology powers electric forklifts inside Amazon and Walmart warehouses across America. They built hydrogen plants in Georgia, Tennessee, and Louisiana, and are now expanding into the United Kingdom and Denmark. In Q1 of 2026, revenue grew 22% to $163 million, beating expectations. Electrolyzer revenue surged 343%. Gross margin improved 42 percentage points in 1 year. The stock sits around $2.79. B. Riley analysts carry a $5 price target. Governments worldwide are funding hydrogen, and this company already has the plants, the patents, and the customers. Ticker Plug Power Inc., listed on NASDAQ Inc. Number 1 is the most powerful story on this list. The disease that silences voices, decades of no treatment, and a drug that finally changed everything. Number 1. Imagine a disease where tumors grow directly on your vocal cords, forcing surgery after surgery, sometimes 10 times a year, for the rest of your life. No cure, no real treatment, just endless pain. In 1998, a company was founded in Maryland. They built a gene therapy technology, spent years rebuilding their pipeline, and created the first immunotherapy ever approved for this disease. It launched in August 2025 and generated $21.6 million in its first full quarter. Medicare coverage is nationwide. The FDA granted 7 years of exclusivity. No competitor can enter legally until 2032. Analysts carry price targets as high as $14. The 52-week low was $1.38. Ticker PGN. Precision Inc., listed on NASDAQ. 5 real American companies. UWMC, America's biggest lender at $2. NXDR, 100 million users, debt-free, buying back stock. IOVA, the world's first TIL cancer therapy with 36% growth. Plug, hydrogen powering Amazon and Walmart with a real comeback. PGN, a breakthrough drug with 7 years of exclusivity and 0 legal competition. Hit like, subscribe, and comment which stock you are watching. See you next time. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing here is financial advice. I am not a licensed financial advisor. These stocks carry extreme risk, and you can lose all your money. Always do your own research and consult a financial professional first. Past performance does not guarantee future results.